References and types are collected in what we call a document library. Every document has its own unique library, meaning no two documents have the same library, unless they are duplicated, of course. There are several methods to add references to your documents, and we'll go through them one by one, starting with typed extension, the Web Clipper. Download our typed extension via the button located in the bottom right corner of My Home. Once you have downloaded the extension, click on the puzzle icon located next to the address bar in Google Chrome and pin the extension, like so. Let's try it out. Let's search for something random and I'll collect it using our Web Clipper. Once you have found an article you like, press the extension or use the default hotkey Ctrl+Shift+1 on Windows or Command+Shift+1 on Mac to save this specific article to either your inbox or a specific document within a specific space. Coming back into typed, I've briefly mentioned the inbox, and that's where we headed. Inbox is accessed in the navigation panel of My Home. This area is like a personal zone in the sense that nobody has access to the references you collected here. We like to call this area the Yet zone. We use the inbox to collect references that are helpful, but are yet to have a specific purpose, so we'll put it in storage. This area can also be accessed within your document and the Inbox tab of the library. Let's bring the reference we collected to the inbox into the specific document like so. And now, the reference we just moved is now allocated to this document and cannot be returned back to the inbox. We'll now utilize the collected reference. Click on the reference card and the content will be displayed in our split viewer. Side note, you can change the orientation of the split viewer from right to left and vice versa through this button. Another reference collection method is simply copy and pasting. If you copy a link of an article page, type will recognize your clipboard and a prompt will appear telling you to paste it into the document's library. You can also click once on the document library and directly press the paste shortcut Ctrl+V or Command+V to add it to your document library. If this doesn't work, a quick refresh may solve it for you. This works exactly the same as images as well. Copy an image and paste it in. Taking a screenshot and making it save to your clipboard is also a quick way to bring an image into your document library. Important note here, only URLs of web page work. Copying the URL of your Google document and pasting it in here will not work. Being able to contain all of the information necessary for one document and allowing you to complete your work without distractions such as tab switching or file searching. What's more, you don't need to reopen all the references when you switch off your device because type saves it for you. That was the basics of collecting references in typed. Next up, we have utilizing references. See you there.